Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change or adjust your screen resolution settings on your Windows XP computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu and select Control Panel on the right panel here. Underneath Pick a Category, select Appearance and Themes. And then underneath or pick a control panel icon, select display. And now you want to select the settings tab. And where it says screen resolution, you can adjust it by scrolling this bar either to the right or to the left. So pretty straightforward process on that. Go ahead and select yes if you want to save the change there. And you can also identify the resolution by just selecting the identify button if you want to adjust different monitors if you have more than one connected to your computer. And you can also adjust the color quality as well. And you can select apply just to kind of get a feel for the difference. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.